Everyone, welcome to the learning curve. Here we are discussing business energy and beyond. I'm Ram, the founder of Nava Management. We're doing business development and concierge services to different kind of businesses. I'm actually going to dig in immediately and really discuss a very important topic. Well, I know you guys don't know much about it, and if you do, it's probably pieces of information. And I really would like to cover this entire subject, dive in, and give you real knowledge, real tools that can actually build real power for you and for your business. Let's get started. So the subject for today is CRM. So guys, CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, it's not just a system or a software. It's a complete management philosophy for you and for your communication with your customer. Let's start with a simple question. When you hear the term CRM, what comes to mind? Think about it for a second. Okay, for most people, it's a system, a piece where the salespeople enter leads, a database with customers' name and phone numbers. But here is the truth, and this is one of the core lessons of any serious CRM course. CRM is not a technology, okay? CRM is a management philosophy. Technology is a tool. You literally take the software, download it, use it. CRM is the way an organization thinks about the customer, manages relationship, and builds long-term value. We're going to break CRM down from the ground up and why CRM is one of the most critical foundations of modern business management. CRM stands for customer relationship management, but academically and strategically, CRM is defined as a comprehensive business strategy designed to create, develop, management, and optimize relationships with customers across the entire life cycle by integrating people, processes, and technology. So that definition is so important, guys, because it immediately tells us something critical. CRM, is not just a single action, it's not just sales, and it's not just customer service. Absolutely not. That's a common mistake. Absolutely not. CRM is about managing relationships over time. So it asks fundamental questions like who are our customers and what value do they receive from us and what value they generate from the organization, and how do we build relationship that benefits both sides. So CRM shifts the focus from short-term transactions to long-term transactions. So to understand CRM, we need first of all to understand how markets change. In the past, many businesses operated in what we call the seller's market, okay? Fewer competition, limited customer choice, high switching cost, relatively strong customer loyalty, and today we live in the buyer's market. From the seller's market, now we live in the buyer's market. So that means we have insane instance competition. We have endless alternatives, high transparency, low loyalty. Customer can switch branded like this in seconds, okay? And in this reality, actually acquiring new customers, it's expensive. And retaining customers, it's very difficult. And losing customers happens quietly and quickly. CRM emerged from a simple but powerful insight. It is far more profitable to retain existing customers than consistently acquire for new ones. So CRM exists to help the organization, one, understand customers better, two, personalize interactions, three, increase satisfaction and loyalty, and four, build sustainable, profitable over time. That is it. But it's so many things in it, you know? It sounds like nothing, but it's way more than that. So, One of the most common and dangerous misconception is that we implemented a CRM system, so we have CRM. This is completely incorrect because CRM is built on three interconnected layers. The one layer is the strategic layer. This is the why. In this level, the organization defines which customer matter most and which relationships are strategic and what kind of value proposition it wants to deliver and how it defines a long-term customer relationship. So without strategy, CRM becomes, like just a machine. It's meaningless. And then we have the process layer, which this is the how. Okay, so here we define the customer journeys, the touch points, sales processes, service processes, retention and recovery processes, cross-department coordination processes turn strategies into actions. And the third layer is the technological layer. This is the tool, okay? This is the tool. Technology supports CRM through CRM system, database, automation, dashboard, reporting and analytics. So technology should support strategy, but technology would never replace it, okay? So technology supports strategy, but would never replace strategy. So I remind you, so we have the strategic layer, the why, the process layer, the how, and the technological layer. This is the tool, how to bring this why and how to real software, real CRM system that actually going to help you and support your strategy. I remind you, it's not something instead, it's in addition, and it's important as the strategy and the process. Let's talk about the customer journey for a second, okay? Because the customer journey is the backbone of the CRM. So CRM always views the customer as a journey, not an event, Customer is starting with us for a long time. We don't want to lose him fast. We want to work with him. We'll talk about it after, but just for now, so we will understand. So a classic customer life cycle actually includes the awareness, the interest, the purchase, the usage, service, and the retention. And each stage represents different needs, different exceptions, and different emotions. So the CRM role is just to identify where the customer is, understand what they need at the moment, deliver the right message, the right channel and experience to the customer. A new customer needs confirmation. A loyal customers need recognition and value. So one size fit all communication is the opposite of CRM. So a one size fit all communication is the opposite from the CRM. We said the CRM is built on data, but data alone is not enough. So in the CRM theory, we distinguish between the data, which is the raw facts, the information, which is the organized data, and the knowledge, which are the insights used for decisions. So a strong CRM system does not just store data. It actually transforms data into actionable insights. Which customers are the most profitable and which customers are at risk of leaving and which customers respond to promotion and which customer requires high service effort but generate low value. So CRM is a decision-making system, not just a record-keeping system. You don't need a CRM just to record your steps and your moves. You can just use a regular spreadsheet or Excel sheet. But what you should remember here is that one of the most important concepts in CRM is the customer lifetime value, the CLV. Okay, guys, again, what you should know. The most important concept in the CRM calls customer lifetime value, CLV. CLV actually represents the total economic value for a customer generated over the duration of the relationship with the organization. So CRM enables the organization to calculate CLV, segment customer by value, uh, allocate resources. But the key insight in the CRM is not all customers are equally valuable. And that's okay. Okay, not all our customers will be equally valuable. It's okay. So the CRM allows the organization to invest more in high value customers, develop medium value customers, and manage or even dismanage the unprofitable relationships. If we have certain customers that are not really fitting what we're doing here, then we don't have to manage them, and we don't have to have them. So this is uh not about like a favoritism, it's about strategic resource allocation. One of the CRM's greatest strength is its ability to unify the organization. So CRM creates a shared custom view, a common language, cross-department transparency, marketing, sales, services, and management all work from the same information. So when departments are aligned, customer experience consistency, efficiency improves, decision making becomes smarter, CRM breaks down and connect to the organization, and it's all around their customers. And I know the most common question is why CRM fails in organizations. Because CRM are not failing usually because of the technology side, the tool. They usually fail because they have lack of clear strategy, and they undefined process, and they have poor implementation, and they have the employee resistance and incomplete or inaccurate data, no use of reports for decision making. So the CRM system, it's not actively used to manage relationship and guide decision. It to use the CRM incorrectly, it's just become an expensive database, nothing more than that. But real successful CRM actually requires the culture, the commitment, the leadership, and this is the basic in your company. Okay. So just to conclude this little class, CRM is not a project, it's not a software, it's not a sales tool. CRM is the way to manage our business. The organization that truly understands CRM, they'll see their customers for long-term phases, design the experience for the customer, not just the transaction, use data to guide the decisions, and focus on sustainable value creation. So CRM is the difference between a business that just reacts to what's happening versus a business that builds lasting relationships. So all I said right now, it's the macro of the CRM. Please comment here what you learned from it, what you're about to take with you. And next one would be more practical and really like step by step how you should start building your CRM and your strategy. So we'll get to it. Stay tuned. Comment here if you like it. And I'll see you soon. Thank you.